My name is Philip Muchungu. This recording is being made from SGVP Holistic Hospital in Ahmedabad, India. I came here 4 days ago to bring my mother for hip replacement, but I thought it's also good to take advantage of the opportunity and have my body health check. Many of us do not do health check and they don't know their status. And I was done so many tests, I can't even remember the number. There were so many, all organs in the body. And I was glad to have that most of the organs were working properly, but some of them were not. And from that, I was given medication and lifestyle change. Some of the departments that you go, they deal with ENT, dental, optic, they deal with chest, heart, body mass, kidney, liver function, all those kind of tests. They also take somebody through the Ayurveda, which is the traditional Indian medicine, where somebody is taken through, you are wrapped in oil, taken through steam, and then you are given alternative medicine as need be. SGVP Holistic Hospital, unlike many hospitals, they do not exaggerate conditions. They tell you as this. So don't be scared. You'll not be told of anything that you do not have. There is a faith-based hospital by the Hindu community, and everything is done very, very professionally. The rooms, we have been able to go through the hospital, and there are all kinds of rooms depending on your budget. There are shared ward rooms, there are single rooms with more facilities, and it's up to you to choose according to your convenience. I would highly recommend anybody to come to SGVP Hospital for medical intervention or for medical checkup, just to know. I've met people from all over the world during this day. I've met people who have come from the UK. I've met people who have come from Kenya. A lot of people from Kenya have come here. And even some of the doctors have started knowing some Kiswahili words. And I can tell you this is a personal testimony, it's not an advertisement. SGV Hospital is outstanding in terms of nursing care and in terms of medicine. Thank you.
SGVP होलिस्टिक हॉस्पिटल, एलोपैथी, आयुर्वेद एवं योग।